Hi, welcome back. I'm Giovanni, chef ristorante Caserne. Today we're gonna make a really iconic dessert, the tiramisu. For the tiramisu, the ingredients are a bit of Madeira liquor, ladyfinger, double espresso, crystal sugar, mascarpone, and eggs. Don't forget the cacao. Firstly, for this recipe, we're gonna start with whipping the egg yolk with the sugar. First of all, we separate the egg yolk from the egg white. Okay, once we separate the egg yolk from the egg white, we're gonna add to it the sugar, and we're gonna whip it in the KitchenAid. In the meantime that our eggs are whipping, we're gonna prepare the syrup for the ladyfingers. For that one, we're gonna need the double espresso, really just a bit of Madeira liquor. You can use whatever you want. I like Madeira, so I'm using it, but you can use Baileys, Marsala, just a bit, not much. And a bit of sugar. Now we take care that the sugar is melted totally in the syrup, and we're gonna start to dip inside our ladyfinger. Okay, now our egg yolk is whipped enough, so we can start to add to it the mascarpone. You can recognize that it's ready because it's right on itself. We're gonna add the mascarpone to it. We take a spatula, we put our mascarpone inside, and then we start to mix it together with the spatula like this, from under to the top. We need to take care that all the air that we added to our egg yolk, it stays there, so it's gonna be more light and fluffy. Now we're gonna start to put together our dessert. We're gonna start with the ladyfinger on the bottom. We take a ladle and we're gonna put our cream on top of it, top of the ladyfingers. We finish it with the cacao on top. Be generous with the cacao, and in my opinion, it's always better to put it before and then let it rest in the cooling. So then after you're gonna have a beautiful tiramisu.